Guys, this is Carrie with Rockin G Farm, and since it is now July almost, we need to be thinking about our hummingbirds. It is very important that you change your hummingbird nectar at least once a week when it is hot above 90 degrees outside. We do this in order to help the nectar not to become fermented or stagnant and make our hummingbirds sick. It is also very important that you ensure that you clean your hummingbird feeders between adding new nectar. That way any bacteria growth or mold or slime that was growing can be killed, and we will add the nectar to clean, fresh feeders. So here's the recipe that I use for my hummingbird nectar. Just make sure that before you place it back into your clean hummingbird feeders that it is completely cooled. So now I am reassembling my hummingbird feeders, ensuring that my seals are in place so that they do not leak. And I'm also ensuring before I put my nectar in that it has completely cooled. We just want to make sure that you double check your hummingbird feeders to ensure that they are filled still throughout the week, and refill them as needed. With the heat indexes becoming over 100 degrees, there's not that many flowers available for the hummingbirds, and this can be a good supplement for them for the flowers that are dying with the high heat indexes. Take it outside and hang it up. So guys, thanks for joining me today as I refilled my hummingbird feeders and cleaned them. Just make sure that if you have hummingbird feeders in your area, just make sure that you clean them out weekly and give them fresh nectar so that it will be a good supplement to the flowers that are dying in the heat. And then again, thanks for joining me, and make what you have beautiful.